Like Cinderella, you can change your clothes with just saying bibbidi bobbidi boo. Before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The first and only thing you need is to wear green dress. Then add the photos or videos you want to dress up. Put the first part of the video in the middle layer and put the rest of the video in the second layer, from where we draw the magic pen on the clothes. Go to the cutout section and from chroma key section, choose the green color of the dress with color picker. But there is no exact number, you have to adjust the intensity and shadow according to the subject. Now we put the video on the clothes exactly from the place where we apply the magic brush to our clothes. Adjust the change of the clothes exactly with the movement of the brush. Go to the effects and then go to the video effects, and for the subject I put the zoom lens video effect and set the speed to 86 and range to 21. From where we are applying the brush to clothes, from the body effect section, set it to lush dissolving 1. You can change the speed and color and glow of the body effect. Because the color of the dress has a purple theme, I also put the color of the body effect in the pink-purple range. Because the color of the dress goes to the blue theme, I also changed the color of the body effect to the blue theme. I hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to share it with your friends and hit the like button and notification bell to not miss any tutorials I upload in my channel.